deposit, refund it to your card or your PayPal account, and it'll be paid for. There you go. Seeing we can program a remote. And seeing we can program a key. Got a video for each of these. Hope this helps you. Please leave a comment if it did. Let other people know. Ask some questions if you got problems or if you're wondering about other vehicles. And check out tomskey.com, where there will be a list of all the vehicles this can program. And I'll keep adding more vehicles to that list. So if your vehicle's not there, leave your email in the provided box. Fill out the little survey that lets you identify what vehicle you're looking for.
Alright. So I'm not even getting past the programmer stage for some reason. So I've watched the video multiple times. I'm not attempting the programming until I've completed step 1, which I have. You must have a key that starts the vehicle to complete programming of the new key. I've demonstrated that. Tom's Car Key Programmer Model TLS will program traditional turnkey start vehicles. It will not program smart keys for push button start vehicles. No worries there. On vehicle dashboard, identify blinking red security light. Do not put key in ignition. Identified. Blinking red. Located the OBD2 port above gas and brake pedals. Plugged in the cable. I am sitting in the driver's seat, and I have shut the driver door. I have ensured that all doors are shut, closed, and are unlocked. Unlock. Insert working key. Red security light will stop blinking. No longer blinking. Programmer is switched to key right here. Turn the vehicle to on position. 1, 2. Within 15 seconds, plug in said key programmer. Beeps once. Programmer will then make 2 short beeps. After a few seconds, the programmer will begin an extended series of beeps. Watch for the red security light to turn on and stay on after about 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Red light has not turned on and remained on. And so I'm stuck. What to do?